Hello, I'm Mike. Back for an unboxing of the motherboard for the new system build.
You want me to?
You got it on me.
Yeah.
And, this recording, Bonnie's with me. My wife Bonnie. She's handling the camcorder over there. And this is still Thursday, June 27th, 2013, here in Phoenix, Arizona, where it's right now 116 degrees, more or less. Anyways, let's unbox the motherboard.
You want me to write?
Yeah. Unbox it somehow. There we go. Okay. Oh. Okay. Here we are. Ooh, look at all the gadgets and goodies we got with this. Well, I don't know what this is. Oh, this is this motherboard is the Asus Z87 Deluxe, which means it comes with a few extras. This is the Wi-Fi, external Wi-Fi antenna. Okay, figured that out. And you're able to
What you want? Hold on.
focus on what I'm opening.
Yeah, I was
not on me, right?
Well, I did when you were showing it close to you, but I...
Let me put on a few vinyl gloves, because I don't want to handle this motherboard without them. It's not absolutely necessary, you know, but like I said, I was going to record in real life, or what else could you call that, real world. Somebody's at home building their system. Of course, there's probably a lot of videos on the internet like that. A lot of them aren't real life. They don't even show half of what they do. But for the archive, for my archive, I wanted to show exactly what you do, what you got to do and put up with. There's the brand spanking new motherboard. Am I too close?
That's about right there.
Dual intelligent processors and ASUS. Sorry, but I'm not all that technical about these things. It is new technology. I don't know what that means exactly. Dual intelligent processors. Right here you've got USB, optical, HDMI. One of these ports here, the USB 2 port here, so you can update the BIOS. You put the file on a flash drive, and you plug it in, and you can update the BIOS with just the power supply connected. Intel Ethernet, gigabit LAN, Ethernet. More USB ports and analog ports, basically. This also comes with USB 3 boost, which makes it, when you connect the USB device, you can move the camera around and zoom in and out.
Yeah, that's what I've been doing.
And so you could, okay, I'll leave you alone. Yeah, they put the battery on it already. And like I said before in other videos, I don't want to go into great detail about this. It all will come together when you put it together. And, I just wanted to show you. It's the 1150 socket with heat pipes for the chipsets. Up to 32 gigabytes. Now I'm going to fill it up. High quality motherboard with high quality capacitors. Right here. And it comes with an onboard power on and off and a reset on board, or you can just push them. And that's it for the motherboard. Right now, the motherboard itself.
You got the corner.
And I already told you about the external Wi-Fi. You can connect to the back of the motherboard. And some cables for SATA, for hard drives, optical drive, solid state drive. They were nice enough to provide us with the cables. 3 of them. From other builds I have some extra ones if I need them, but I doubt it. I'll need them. These are, I forget what they call these. Makes it easy to plug in all your wiring for your power on indicator light and your hard drive busy active light and your reset button. PC speaker, if it had one. Well, probably does. That's what that'll be for. Power LED, yeah. What's it say on the other side? Let's see. NC, I don't know what that means. Has something to do with USB. The black one inside. Power ground, reset ground. Hard drive light and the hard drive LED. Quick connect, disconnect, that's what that is. Here's the faceplate that I have to install on the back of the computer case. That's very nice. A nice black background with printing. Tells you what every port is for. That's nice. And this is the bridge for video cards. If you install 2 video cards, they provided an SLI bridge. Nice. And a nice big printed user guide. Tell you all about your motherboard. And the drivers and all. And programs, I guess, for the motherboard after you're all done and booted up. Nice. Oh, this motherboard manual. It's going to cover all kinds of special features, motherboard overview, build your PC system, BIOS update utility, motherboard rear and audio connections, and a bunch of other things. Here's the exclusive features of the motherboard. The dual intelligent processors 4. Wi-Fi Go card and Wi-Fi Go. I can take these off now. It gets sweaty.
Yeah, I noticed your hands looked like they were getting wet.
A little bit. Maybe I can review just a few of the features. Really quick. TPU. Intelligent Processor 4 comes with these 5 utilities. Oh. In one interface. 4-way optimization. TPU, EPU, Digi Plus, Power Control, and Fan Expert 2. Has to do with the Dual Intelligent Processors 4. 4-way optimization. TPU, so I don't know. You can read all about these things on these extra features on the internet. The extra features of Wi-Fi and what I mentioned. A lot about Wi-Fi. Yeah. And that's the motherboard unboxing. Yeah. And next will be the CPU.
Cool.
Over there, and we'll cover that in another video. We'll be installing the CPU, the memory, and the cooler on top of the CPU. Thanks for watching. Now,